guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making Gulab Jamun powder cookies. Those look so good. It's a sweet turned into cookies. If you want to try it, start by adding 1 plus half cup of Gulab Jamun powder mix. There I used MTR. Next, you're going to be adding 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. If you don't have it, that's a-okay because you just need to blend a little bit of sugar. Next, you're going to add 1/3 cup of ghee. This ghee really sticks all of this dough together. So that makes it actually kind of like a dough that you can form. Next, you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder to give a good taste, and you're going to mix it all together. So you need to make it form a dough. So you can mix with the spatula a little bit, but then after a while you need to start mixing with your hands. So it has to be squishy and nicely stuck together. And only then will it form a dough. The dough should be a little soft, nice and thick, and super good. I don't know if you can taste it. I don't know if you can really taste dough, but oh well, it probably does taste good. Now you're going to use a teaspoon, and you're going to scoop out 1 teaspoon of dough. And you're going to take it in your hands and roll it. Then you're going to flatten it and press it a little bit. And you're going to put it down on the tray. There's your 1 cookie. Now you're going to make more cookies like this. Keep taking scoops of dough, using your teaspoon to measure, and putting them down on the tray. So if you keep doing that, they turn into cookies. So next you're going to use a fork slightly to press to get the stripe marks. It's pretty cool marks too. So I think this helps with the baking, but if it doesn't, that's okay because these marks are really cool. You're going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And you're going to let them really get cooked. They need to get nicely cooked if they want to turn into cookies. They're still just going to be just like that, except they're going to get roasted and delicious. After 10 minutes, take the cookies out of the oven because they are ready. Check out all those good cookies. So delicious. If you want to bite one, just make this recipe because they are really good. They are super delicious, super good, super crunchy. As I broke it and told you, they are super crunchy and delicious. The back should be very nicely roasted. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel and enjoy your delicious cookies. Bye!